Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions: mix cream and vanilla and pour over freshly fallen clean snow in an ice-cold bowl. Add more snow if the ice cream is too thin, or more sugar if it's not sweet enough. You can make different flavors by using chocolate or other extracts instead of vanilla.
Let's help you make your mark.
Mix together 1 pound of baking soda, and slowly add shaving cream until you reach the perfect snowy consistency. Let kids knead the fake snow with their hands until it's all combined. Baking soda and water. Pour 1 cup of baking soda into a bowl, and add water 1 tablespoon at a time.
Let's help you make your mark.
Traditional snowmaking involves forcing water and pressurized air through spray nozzles. The water particles then freeze as they move through cold air that is below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and the resulting snow falls to ground into large piles. This traditional snowmaking can only happen when the air temperature is below 32 degrees Fahrenheit.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.